different than any other favorites that we've seen this morning. We started off with fashion, with Slinky, we had beauty, we went into the kitchen, we went into the cleaning closet, and now we're jumping in the car with our Magellan 7-inch touchscreen GPS. And this is gonna be great too, because you know, when it comes to your GPS unit, this is the one system that is designed to get you to where you're trying to be. And I know that that might sound funny, but a lot of times we use our, you know, you might think, well, I can just use my phone when I need a GPS system. Your phone is designed to make phone calls. And you can also surf the web, and you can also send text messages, you can also take pictures, your phone is also a camera. Your phone is designed to do a lot of other things. Your GPS is designed to get you from point A to point B in either the fastest way, the way that you're most comfortable with, meaning you can customize your route. So let's say the fastest way for you to get to from point A to point B is to take the freeway, but you don't feel comfortable driving on the freeway. Okay, you just tell Magellan, you just let Magellan know and set the settings that I don't want to take the freeway. So Magellan is going to take you the way that you feel most comfortable, and it's going to lead you there step by step. What's really great about this, and I hope that you're noticing this, these are the same two units. We just have one landscape and one portrait so that you can kind of decide how you most comfortably want to view your GPS. You're going to get the mounting hardware, and when I say hardware, it's really like a suction cup. So it's gonna be really, really easy for you to mount this in your car. And then you can place it landscape or portrait depending on how you want it. And you plug it in and it starts working. You've got lifetime map updates here, and that's a big deal too, because typically in order to update your maps you have to pay for that, but you've got lifetime map updates, which is going to be it updates with 7 million points of interest, and we're talking information from the United States, from Canada, from Puerto Rico. So you can use this whether you're driving, you can use this even when you're on foot, when you're walking. You can take this out of your car and put it into a rental car when you're going on vacation, and you can still get from point A to point B. And Magellan makes getting there easier because now you're not having to fiddle around with reading directions, because you can see and hear everything, every kind of turn that you need to make, even the lanes that you need to be in, because distracted drivers are dangerous drivers. And there's a lot of distractions on the road when you're driving now. The last thing you want to do is have to, you know, fiddle with reading directions or things of that nature. You punch in and type in where you want to go, and Magellan will take you there. There's something on here that's called Lane Assist with Junction View. And what that does is that it provides very realistic images of whether it's through freeway signs, arrows, that guide you into the correct lane as you approach intersections. So that if you've ever, let's say you knew your turn was coming up and you thought it was going to be on the right, but it was really going to be on the left, and you either had to cross 3 lanes of traffic with no warning, or you just missed your turn. You'll never miss another turn here, because when you're driving, it lets you know which lane you need to be in order for you to make that next maneuver. You even have a very realistic way of looking at the road. So when you're driving, it's literally like having somebody to point you step by step every step of the way. This is a back to school price, and if you've got kids going off to college and you know they're going to be in maybe a new city, this would be